Hey guys, I wanted to take a quick look at the Orchestration Console. This is the Silverlight application that allows us to view runbooks, see the summary status of all of our runbooks, what's succeeded, what has a warning status, what's failed, what's in progress, and so on. So from our previous example, let's go ahead and fire up our test runbook. Just to remind you, this test runbook is one that we created in Orchestrator. We just need to go ahead and check it into the Runbook Designer before we are able to view it in the Orchestration Console. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll come back here and hit refresh. As you can see, the runbook name is now test rather than new runbook, so our changes have been committed. So all we need to do in order to start the runbook is just hit start runbook over here. We're prompted for a computer name. So we'll type in Scorch01. This is where our ipconfig program is going to run. We will select a runbook server to use for the runbook and simply hit start. Once we do that, we can go over to the instances area and see what the status of our runbook is. As you can see, we've already got a warning status here, so let's go check it out. We'll click on view details and see what happened. So as you can see, we have a really friendly diagram here that shows us the status of the runbook. So our first activity, the initialize data activity, has succeeded, and we failed on the run ipconfig step. As you can see, because the ipconfig step did not return success, it did not execute this activity down here. However, it did log the activity saying that the program failed, or the message to the event log saying that the program failed. If we go to the activity details, we can actually get a breakdown of the individual activities, expand them out, and see what the status is of them. You can see what the process ID is, you can see what the error text is if a particular step failed, and so on. You can see input parameters and, if applicable, output parameters. However, this particular runbook doesn't actually output any data. So that's just a quick overview of the Orchestration Console. I hope you guys find this useful, and we'll see you next time.